The gyroscopic couple. So in the previous class we have known the basics of the gyroscope and its effect with the example. So before dealing with the gyroscopic couple, let us see the basics before the gyroscopic couple. First, linear momentum. Linear momentum. So what is the linear momentum? So a body is there. When you give the force, it will move in a straight path. So the object is subject to the linear momentum. So what is the formula for linear momentum? Mass into velocity. Yeah. So linear momentum. So linear momentum is when an object is forced to move in a straight line. The object is subject to the linear momentum. So product of the mass into velocity. But whenever a body is subject to the force or momentum, the term is changed to the angular momentum. So consider a rotating disc. So it is given the angular momentum. So what is angular momentum? What is the formula for angular momentum? So angular momentum equal to mass moment of inertia into angular speed of the rotating body or rotating disc. So I into omega. So what is I? Moment of mass, moment of inertia, m into r square into omega. This is a formula for angular momentum. So the angular momentum is a vector quantity. Here. So a body is rotated about its own axis of rotation. The axis of the angular momentum acts in this direction. When you view from this direction, the angular momentum acts in this direction. So angular momentum is a vector quantity. Okay. Now torque. So whenever the rotating body is rotated, it is subject to the torque. So the torque is radius into force perpendicular to the radial distance. So normally radius into force perpendicular to its radial distance. Okay, yeah. Now in this concern we term is a couple, torque or couple. Okay, yeah. Now let us know the angular momentum. So it is a vector quantity. Now we come into the gyroscopic couple. Before that, what is conservation of angular momentum? What is the law of the angular momentum? What is law of the conservation of angular momentum? Whenever a rotating body is there, the angular momentum won't change until and unless whenever external torque is applied. So whenever a rotating body is there, the angular momentum of the rotating disc won't change until and unless a external torque is applied to it. Angular momentum. For example, in the previous class I told you the spinning top. But whenever you give the angular momentum, it will rotate. But due to the friction between the axis and the ground, it will fall finally. So the angular momentum is collapsed due to the friction. But whenever there is no external torque is applied, the rotating body will continue its rotation. So the angular momentum won't change. That is the law of conservation of the angular momentum. For here, the gyroscopic couple is a result of the law of the conservation of the angular momentum. Gyroscopic couple is a result of the conservation of the angular momentum. Now let us discuss about what is the formula for the gyroscopic couple. Okay. A rotating disc rotates about its own axis in the anti-clockwise direction you see. Okay. Now OX. Okay. OX. Here first term is axis of rotation. axis of rotation. So consider a disc rotated at a particular angular speed omega about the axis OX. Here OX is the axis of rotation. So it is an axis about which the disc is rotated. Here OX is the axis of rotation. Okay, yeah. Then now consider a YOEZ. So what is YOEZ? Plane of rotation. Plane of rotation. Here, what is plane of rotation? It is a parallel plane to which the disc is rotated. Here, the YOEZ is parallel to the plane of the disc, rotating disc. So to which it is parallel to the YOEZ plane. So it is called a plane of rotation. Here, as per the configuration, YOEZ is a plane of rotation because the plane of the disc and the plane YY is parallel to each other. So it is called a plane of rotation. Here. As told you in the previous class, whenever the rotating body is given the angular momentum, after certain seconds, the axis of rotation may move either from this direction or this direction. Okay, yeah. Now the body will move in this direction, del theta. So as you know, the disc is rotated by giving the angular momentum. So after a certain time, the axis of rotation may move either parallel or this direction. So it has certain speed to the angle del theta. Okay, now this plane is called the plane of precision. Plane of precision. So what is precision? Whenever the disc is rotated about its own axis, the axis of rotation will move to a plane parallel to the plane of precision. So what is precision? The axis of the rotating body will move at a certain speed. So the movement is called precision. Here this plane is called a plane of precision because it is a parallel plane on which the precision takes place. So it's called a precision plane. Okay. Then what is axis of precision? Axis of precision. Here OY is the axis of precision. What is axis of precision? So as you know, the body is rotated by giving the angular momentum. The axis will move at a certain velocity. Here the movement of precision is about the vertical axis OY. Okay, here the OY is called the axis of precision. So what is axis of precision? It is an axis about which the axis of the rotating body will move at a angular speed. So here OY is the angular axis of precision. Okay, then speed of precision. Speed of precision, that is omega p. Here the suffix p refers to the precision. As you know, whenever the body is rotated about its own axis of rotation, the axis will move certain speed. It is called the speed of precision. Here the speed of precision is the speed at which the axis of the spinning body will move. It is called the speed of precision. Okay, now as you know, whenever the rotating body is rotated about its own axis, a couple is created, that's gyroscopic couple. Here it is the axis of the active gyroscopic couple. It's called a reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay, so the OEZ is called a active gyroscopic couple. As you know, whenever the couple is created, an equal and opposite direction, the couple is created called a reactive gyroscopic couple. Here axis in direction, thereby the object is kept in the equilibrium. Okay, now what's the formula for the gyroscopic couple? Okay, now as I told you, the angular momentum is represented as a vector quantity. Okay, now the angular momentum is represented by the vector OX. Initially it is given the angular momentum IX called the angular momentum. As you know, the product of the mass moment of inertia into OX. After a certain time it will move to the new position X dash in del t time to the angle del t. So axis of rotation will move to the new position OX dash in del t time to the angle del t. Okay. Now what is the change in angular momentum? Change in angular momentum. What is change in angular momentum? It is called a gyroscopic couple. Then it is called a relative gyroscopic couple in opposite direction. What is change in angular momentum? Initially it is given the angular momentum OX. It is given to the new position, that is OX dash in del t time to the angle del t. Sorry, del theta. What is change in angular momentum by the vector diagram? Yes. OX dash minus OX, correct? OX dash minus XS dash. It is written as X dash. Okay, yeah. Here it is a sector. OX X dash is a sector. It is a portion of the circle. Okay. Now the arc XS dash is the length of the arc. What is the formula for the length of the arc in the circular sector? Here the radius of rotation is the angle subtended between the two extreme positions. So what is the radius? OX. In the angle is at del theta in radians. What is OX? I omega and del t. Sorry, del theta. Okay, yeah. It is a change in angular momentum. Next is the rate of change of angular momentum. So we term the term rate. So we have to rate the change in angular momentum with respect to time. Okay, now the I omega del theta del t. Okay, yeah. So here the equation becomes del t tends to 0. Okay. So the rate of change of angular momentum is I omega del theta del t. As del t tends to 0, it can be rewritten as I omega d theta by dt. Okay, yeah. Here I omega. So the term, what is the term d theta by dt? What is d theta by dt? Here the d theta is a new position OX dash with an angle del t in the time del t. So what is the term indicates? Del d theta by dt. So it is simply called omega, angular speed. As you know, the rate of change of angle is with respect to time is omega, angular speed. But here it represents the precision speed. So it can be written as omega p. Here the rate of change of angular momentum is called a gyroscopic couple. It is indicated by the letter C. So the formula for the active gyroscopic couple C equal to I omega p. So it is a formula that is frequently used in our problem. So gyroscopic couple is represented by the letter C, capital C equal to I. Mass moment of inertia of the rotating disk omega, that is the angular speed of the rotating body. Omega p is the angular speed of the precision. Okay, yeah, that is a formula you have to know.